Hello everyone, here I am back with the Body Concierge with movement strategies for you to de-stress through movement. And I've had one of these days that's quite intense, some kind of running around, commuting, and then lots of time on the keyboard. So just want to introduce you a couple of tips of how I start de-stressing and transitioning from a heavy work day. So the first thing we're going to do is do some bouncing. There's some options. Do the same thing in the chair, kind of like anything that brings the energy down into the ground. You do the same, kind of putting hands on the knees. And then we're going to try something called advancing and retreating. So you can try that by going to the different corners of the room. Kind of stepping back and forward. Same thing with the chair. Reaching, finding those kind of pathways, diagonals. You can put some nice music there. I'm gonna go through them really quickly, but if you need more time, advancing, retreating, doing a little bit of salsa there, letting it go, and then we're going to just transition into some shaking, which we've done in other videos, and some brushing off. Really helps this feeling of being wired and kind of still thinking about work. And do some brushes. Sitting down as well. And if you still have a little bit more energy, put your favorite music on and have a little boogie, have a little salsa. And yeah, this is how I de-stress after some days. For some people, staying still really works, and doing some meditation and some yoga. And if that works for you, amazing. But if you're like me, that's been like on the whole day, having a little bit of intentionality with directions, some brushing off, and some reconnecting to the body and to the ground. This is it. This is Body Concierge. Hope to move with you very, very, very soon.